At some point, your streaming bill stopped feeling cheap. Netflix, Disney Plus, Hulu, Prime Video, Max, Apple TV, Spotify, YouTube Premium. One subscription became 5, then 8. Then one day, you checked your bank statement and realized your cheap alternative to cable became cable again. Except this time, it happened quietly. In 2011, the average American cable bill was $74 a month. Today, the average American streaming bill is $69. $5 cheaper. 11 years later. After all the apps, all the subscriptions, all the promises, you didn't escape the system. You just changed interfaces. People didn't cancel cable because they hated television. They canceled cable because the model felt abusive, paying for channels they never watched. Annual price increases nobody warned them about. Contracts that felt impossible to leave. Hidden fees. Ads everywhere. Streaming sold itself as freedom. Watch what you want. Pay only for what you use. Cancel anytime. No bundles. No contracts. And for a few years, it actually felt true. Then, the fragmentation started. Disney pulled Marvel and Star Wars from Netflix. HBO pulled its catalog off Amazon. NBC pulled The Office. Paramount pulled Star Trek. Every company wanted its own app, its own subscription, its own monthly payment. So the thing that originally replaced cable slowly began rebuilding it, one login at a time. Netflix went from $10 to $20. Then the ads came back, which was especially impressive because removing ads was the entire reason people left cable in the first place. Today, 68% of streaming subscribers watch ads. On platforms they specifically joined to avoid ads. This wasn't an accident. It was the plan. Here's the part most people never see. The original streaming model never worked. Not at $8 a month. Not with prestige television. Not with billion-dollar content libraries. Stranger Things costs hundreds of millions of dollars to produce. Netflix alone is spending $20 billion on content this year. Cheap subscriptions never covered the cost. It only works if companies recreate the economics cable already discovered decades ago. Bundles, locked ecosystems, recurring revenue at scale, advertising layered on top. The cheap era wasn't the business model. It was the migration strategy. You didn't choose streaming. You were moved there. Now, they're saying it out loud. In April 2026, Comcast, the cable company people tried to escape, launched a streaming bundle. Disney, Hulu, Max, Netflix, Peacock. Packaged together. Discounted together. Structured together. In other words, cable. Just with different logos. Analysts now openly describe the industry as, quote, reconstituting the cable bundle. That's not conspiracy language. That's the industry describing itself, and it gets worse. Ad-supported tiers will become normal. Ad-free will become premium. Bundles will get larger. Your phone plan will include one service. Your credit card will include another. Your internet provider will throw in 3 more. Eventually, people stop knowing what they're paying for. That's when subscription systems become most profitable. So here's the defense. Don't stack subscriptions. Rotate them. 1 or 2 at a time. Watch what you came for. Cancel immediately after. Once a quarter, open your bank statement and count every recurring charge manually. Not just streaming, everything. Because subscription systems survive on one assumption: that eventually you stop noticing them. Attention is the only thing keeping the model from quietly expanding forever. The cable company didn't lose. It changed its name. The hidden cost isn't always the price. Sometimes it's the system underneath the price. If this is the kind of breakdown you want more of, subscribe. One hidden mechanism at a time.